Alrighty guys, good morning. Just want to give you an update on my backyard project. So I've worked on the pond here, put in 2 waterfalls. There's another one behind me there, you can see there, and then there's the other one there. Maybe I'll put more down later, but for now that's what I got. I've planted all these plants here, and also a cherry tree in the middle of my yard. Also put 2 roses over there. See, you can see them right there. And I also put down the sod. There's something fascinating or interesting that I learned, and let me go ahead and show you around here for a minute. All right. Okay, so here we go. So there is a very awesome jasmine. Smells really good. And there's another plant right there. There's some kind of mint and this beautiful plant. This one is going to go up to 6 feet. That's what I was told. And so here's the waterfall right here. I got all this from Facebook, all these rocks. I got them free on Facebook, all of these rocks. Except the white ones, those are, I bought from Home Depot. More plants. I called that my taro plant. The bamboo, I relocate the bamboo from my front yard to back here. And then this is the cherry tree. And then I installed the sod. So the new ones, the greener ones, I put them, it's been a couple of days. This one is a different color. I just put them down yesterday. And also back there, I just installed this sod yesterday. That's why they look a little different. And they use some kind of tools to roll on top of the sod, I guess to level the ground, and also to push the sod into the soil. And what I did is I used this drum. See this drum? I fill it up a little bit with water, and then I use it to roll on top of the sod. So if you don't want to spend money, go out there and rent something from Home Depot. You can create your own tools, and that's what I did. So I used both my propane tank and also the drum, plastic drum, to roll on top of the sod. And that, yeah. And I told you the fascinating thing that I learned was, so I came out yesterday, and this roll here, or not roll, but this section was all pulled up, or almost rolled back, and I found the culprit, and I'll show you in a minute here if I can zoom in. And he's sitting up there. See that? Let me zoom in and see if we can try to figure out. There she or he is. There, you see? There. He's the one that came down and tried to destroy my grass. And now he's hiding up there because I chased him around this morning. There, see? Too bad I can't fly up there to chase him some more. Alright? So he's hiding up there, waiting for me to go away, and then he's gonna come down and try to destroy my grass. So I have a few more weeks for for the roots to set in, so he won't be able to dig it up. Alrighty, so here we're gonna put down a pathway here, but that's probably for today. This one is done. So I put a jasmine vine. Apparently there's two different kinds, or maybe several, in the jasmine family. This is one of them, and hopefully it'll go up and go all over the house so it can look pretty. And then beautiful roses here. Yeah, so I planted 2 rose plants here. These ones are flowering. We have this back home, this kind of plants. So now I at least have something to look at when I drink my coffee from the inside. So, and yeah, so thank you guys once again. This project is almost completed. Can't wait for me to finish every little detail of my project out here. I'm sure I'll think of something else to do, but it looks much better than when I bought this house. See that? See how beautiful that is? Yeah. See, I still have the sandbox for my grandkids to play. Now they have a waterfall or 2 waterfalls, and then they can throw all the stone inside the pond. And then in the afternoon I will go in and collect all the rocks and put them back out there for them to throw it inside the pond. So I guess every time they come out here you'll see they throw all those rocks inside the pond. And I have to figure out a way, maybe put all the heavy ones that they cannot carry. So my grandkids, man, they love the backyard. They enjoy themselves out here. So hopefully I can inspire you to do something like this in your own backyard. Yeah, make it their own, man. I've changed this backyard. Now it's becoming my own. Yeah. Alrighty guys, so until next time, make sure you keep on washing your hands. Don't touch your face. Wear a mask when you go out in the public. Especially you, Micronesian. You know, this thing is hurting us a lot. So I've heard. So let's make sure that we take care of ourselves. When you go out in the public, please wear a mask, okay? Alright? And stay healthy. Be safe. I gotta go and look for tuna. Alright? It's almost 6 o'clock. I gotta drive for about an hour. Get me tuna. I'll make sure I bring my mask and hand sanitizer. And good luck, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, okay?